I'm going to change the channel from Embassy Drama to Food Network and count how long it takes to open. And this is the software 1.60. You can go, have a coffee, smoke one cigarette, come back, and you will still be waiting for the channel to open. I think this is the same software that you're using. And can you imagine the customers, they have to wait this long to open the channel. Already passed 43 seconds, and it's still not open. 47, 48, keep on counting. Can you imagine? 55, 57, 1 minute, and it's still not opened. You see why they're complaining, the people? Naveed. This is what you have to show to your engineers. If you're doing something different that we are using over here, tell us. It takes 1 minute and 23 seconds.